Hey everybody, welcome back. So this week I kind of gave you guys the reminder last week that this was going to happen. You guys are going to have a quiz this week. So it's a quiz over 8.1 through 8.5. So all you have to worry about this week are the review and the quiz. So just like the chapter test we took right when we started our remote learning that very first week, the quiz will be right on Canvas. So you're just going to take it right on there. As you guys kind of saw, when you took that test, the scoring, it kind of gave you a 0 up until I graded it. So once again, it'll probably do that. Don't panic. I will get it graded as fast as I can. That way you don't have to see a big old 0 there for a quiz grade. The quiz will be shorter than what you guys have seen in the past, simply because it's online, so I'm not going to do as many questions. So the review will be on the Canvas page. It'll be attached to the announcement. So just like before, it'll be attached to the announcement. It'll be down in that little fine print, unfortunately. But that's where you'll be able to find it, is right there on the announcement page. Once again, you can take and print it out if you have the ability to. If not, look off the PDF of the review, answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper, and then send that back in to me for your submission. The review hopefully will take and be fairly easy. You're going to be looking at, let's see, you'll have finding the distance between the points, so using the distance formula. You'll be writing equations in standard form. You'll be finding the perimeter of figures on a coordinate grid based on 2 equations. You'll be writing the translation equation. So remember where you say g of x equals f of x plus something or minus something. And that will be it. I'll have, there is one more section on the review, but being as not everybody can take and print it out, for those of you who can print it out, you have the option to take and do the vertical transformations. For those of you who don't have that ability because you don't have, you can't print it out, I won't penalize you if you don't do those questions. If you draw it out on a separate sheet of paper, then by all means, that's awesome, but you will not be penalized for not doing those. So obviously, because we're doing the remote learning, we have a few differences in what we can do, so that won't be expected. If you guys can't print it out, no worries. I will not penalize you on those questions that involve you actually trying to graph it out. But if you do those questions, you will get credit for them, so keep that in mind. When you're doing your quiz, if you get stuck on any questions, as always, you can always ask me. Best time for that would be during my office hours. I'm most available then. So for immediate responses, 1 to 2, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Any other questions, I try to check my emails frequently as possible, as you guys know. Try to get back to you in a timely manner. Otherwise, this week, like I said, just the review and the test. And we will have a keyword for this video, just to keep in the habit of doing those keyword submissions. It's a nice, easy 10 points for you guys to kind of help out with all this. So our keyword is quiz for this week. Keyword is quiz. All right, have a wonderful week and happy mathing.